Hello, welcome to my channel, Crafty Fox DIYs. This video is part of the Hello Summer collaboration hosted by Christine from DeVyne DeZynz and Danielle from Schoolhouse Run. Our guest host is Brandi from the DIY Struggle. I will have links to their channels as well as a link to the playlist down in the description box below. Okay, let's get into it. For DIY and number one, I have this little truck that says Welcome Spring on it. I got this from a Dollar General. And I am going to be using this, obviously, for summer. And I'm making tiered tray decor. So I'm just going to take my sanding block here. And I'm going to go over the Welcome Spring because it's raised. And so I want to get that off there. And then I'm going to use this, I believe it's Peacock by Waverly Chalk Paint. And I'm going to paint the truck that color instead. I think it's more of a summer color. Whereas this light blue on the truck is more spring-like. So this is more of a summery blue to me, so I'm going to paint my truck with this paint. I'm just using an angled brush so that it helps me get around all of the stuff that's on the truck, like the fenders and the flowers and everything, so that way I can keep all of that on there, but still be able to change the color of the truck and also cover up where the Welcome Spring was. I didn't need to completely sand the Welcome Spring off. It was still there, but it just wasn't raised because I didn't want it to still be sticking up after I painted over it. So that's all I did, was just remove the raised part from it. Then I'm just using a smaller brush to get in the areas where my bigger angled brush I was using wouldn't work. And then to make the flowers look more summery, because they're pink and purple, I'm using red, and I'm just going to freehand some basic flowers on here. I thought red was more of a summery color, so I'm just going to add these red flowers to the pink and purple ones that are on there so it looks more summer-like. Then I'm going to add a center to my flowers, and this is like a yellowish brown color that I'm putting in the centers. You can paint whatever kind of flowers you want to on yours. You could even put in little small faux flowers. I didn't have any small enough that would look right, so I just didn't put any at all. I just decided to paint them instead of hot gluing in some little faux flowers. And then I'm just using, I believe this is Moss by Waverly Chalk Paints, and I'm using that to create my stems and leaves on my flowers, because obviously they needed those as well. I'm going to paint the bow pink. This is a Ballet Slipper by Waverly Chalk Paint. I don't show it on camera. As you can see, the blue is still on the sides of the truck, but I do go over that and paint that the same as the rest of the truck with that Peacock paint. And then I painted some details on the bow, and then I'm using that same paintbrush to go around the blue that was on the tires. And there we go. Now I think it looks more summery. Okay, now for DIY number two, I have this that I got from Dollar General as well. Now I got this on sale for half off, so it's only 50 cents. And then I have a mold that I got from Temu and some air dried clay that I got from Dollar General as well. And I'm just going to put this in. What I want to do is this top of this key, because it's a mold with locks and keys, the top of it kind of looks like a sunflower. And so I'm pressing the yellow air dry clay into the sunflower part only, so I can have the sunflower to put onto my little chalkboard easel there. And just keep working it until it gets down into all of the little crevices. And that's how it turns out. Okay, and then once again, this light blue color seems more springy to me than summery, so I'm going to use a darker blue and paint over the light blue. Now I'm not going to paint the light blue that is next to the chalkboard. I decided to just leave that's inside the light blue color, instead of trying to make sure that I didn't get any on the chalkboard itself. But all around the sides and the front, I make sure that I cover that with the darker blue paint. I can't remember this exact color, but it's similar to cobalt blue. Okay, now I have my vinyl here. I cut out, says enjoy the sun. And so I'm just going to use some shelf liner here to transfer my vinyl letters onto my chalkboard. Okay, that's how that looks. I used the lettering I used. It was a free one, something paint. I thought it looked more like it had been hand done instead of just, you know, like typed out letters. Now I'm going to take my little sunflower and I'm going to glue that to the top of my chalkboard easel sign here. And I have another one that I made beforehand, and I'm going to glue that one as well. So there, both of those are on there, and it looks lovely. Okay, now for DIY number 3, I have this beautiful bird that I got from Dollar General. I wish I'd have gotten more than one, but I didn't. So, and I also have these eggs, and I only got one of these too. What was I thinking? I don't know what I was thinking. Obviously, I wasn't. Only $1.18 for this beautiful pack of eggs from Kroger. Okay, so I'm going to take my hot glue, because I have this little thing here, and I'm going to make a bird nest in it, but it wants to wobble because it's kind of rounded on the bottom, so I'm putting a circle of hot glue on there so it will help it sit without falling over or wobbling around. You know what I'm saying. Okay, I'm going to take this stuff. It's not exactly raffia. I'm not sure what it is, but it makes a great bird nest. So I'm putting that down inside of this metal thing, whatever it is. Then I'm going to set my bird in there, and I tested out. I used, you can see the blue egg there, and with the blue that's on the bird and the blue flower, it wasn't working for me. So I decided to just go with these off-white eggs with the speckles on it. So let the bird be, you know, the main focal point. I think it turned out so pretty. Okay, let's take one final look at all 3 of these projects. Okay, that's all for this video. Let me know what you think of my summer tiered tray decor. Be sure to check to the description box for the host channels as well as the link to the playlist so that you can get all kinds of summer DIY inspiration. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.